Airport. Airport. Airplane. Airplane. Flight. Flight. Ticket. Ticket. Passport. Passport. Visa. Visa. Luggage. Luggage. Suitcase. Suitcase. Backpack. Backpack. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Check-in. Check-in. Security check. Security check. Metal detector. Metal detector. Scanner. Scanner. Passport control. Passport control. Customs. Customs. Departure. Departure. Arrival. Arrival. Runway. Runway. Take off. Take off. Land. Land. Gate. Gate. Terminal. Terminal. Pilot. Pilot. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. Delayed. Delayed. Cancelled. Cancelled. Transfer. Transfer. Immigration. Immigration. Departure board. Departure board. Visa stamp. Visa stamp. One-way ticket. One-way ticket. Round-trip ticket. Round-trip ticket. Economy class. Economy class. Business class. Business class. First class. First class. Baggage claim. Baggage claim. Baggage carousel. Baggage carousel. Excess baggage. Excess baggage. Cockpit. Cockpit. Cabin. Cabin. Seat. Seat. Window. Window. Aisle. Aisle. Window seat. Window seat. Aisle seat. Aisle seat. Overhead bin. Overhead bin. Tray table. Tray table. Emergency exit. Emergency exit. Life vest. Life vest. Oxygen mask. Oxygen mask. Next, let's practice some common phrases that you can use at the airport. When buying an airplane ticket. I'd like to buy a ticket to, please. I'd like to buy a ticket to, please. I want to buy a plane ticket to, please. I want to buy a plane ticket to, please. Would you like one-way or round-trip ticket? Would you like one-way or round-trip ticket? Do you want a one-way or round-trip ticket? Do you want a one-way or round-trip ticket? When will you be leaving? When will you be leaving? When will you go? When will you go? Do you want first class or economy class? Do you want first class or economy class? Do you want to book a first class or economy class ticket? Do you want to book a first class or economy class ticket? Would you like a window or an aisle seat? Would you like a window or an aisle seat? Do you want to sit by the window or by the aisle? Do you want to sit by the window or by the aisle? Your seat number is. Your seat number is. When checking in. Where is the check-in counter of? Where is the check-in counter of? Where are you flying to? Where are you flying to? How many bags are you checking in? How many bags are you checking in? Could I see your hand baggage, please? Could I see your hand baggage, please? Can I see your carry-on luggage, please? Can I see your carry-on luggage, please? When going through security. Are you carrying any liquids or sharp objects? Are you carrying any liquids or sharp objects? Could you take off your coat, please? Could you take off your coat, please? Can you take off your coat, please? Can you take off your coat, please? Could you put any metallic objects into the tray, please? Could you put any metallic objects into the tray, please? Can you put any metal objects in the tray, please? Can you put any metal objects in the tray, please? Please empty your pockets. Please empty your pockets. In the departure lounge. Which gate do we need to go? Which gate do we need to go? The flight's been delayed. The flight's been delayed. The flight's been cancelled. The flight's been cancelled. On the plane. Where is my seat? Where is my seat? What are the meal options? What are the meal options? Can I change my seat? Can I change my seat? How long is the flight? How long is the flight? When arriving. Where is the passport control? Where is the passport control? Where is the customs? Where is the customs? Where is the baggage claim? Where is the baggage claim? Do I need a visa stamp? Do I need a visa stamp?